In this video, I will compare TidyCal versus Kennel, and I will give you my honest review on which is better. So first, what exactly can you do with them? So they both are scheduling tools, but they have some differences, and I'll explain those in this video. So first, Calendly has a completely free plan available, and so does TidyCal. So you can use both of them for free. Now, Calendly free plan is for individuals starting out with basic scheduling. In plan, you get unlimited one-on-one meetings. So for example, if you own a barbershop and you have different types of services, then that of course won't be enough. Now you can connect one of your calendars, integrate video conferencing. You can even customize your booking page. TidyCal and Calendly are both powerful scheduling tools, but they cater to slightly different users. TidyCal is ideal for solo professional or small business owners looking for a simple, budget-friendly option, especially with its lifetime deal for just $29, which includes unlimited bookings and advanced features. Calendly, on the other hand, is better suited for teams and businesses that need advanced automation, multiple calendar connections, and complex workflows. If you want affordability and simplicity, go with TidyCal. If you need team collaboration and more robust features, Calendly is the better option.